Harriet from Toby and Roo, and welcome back for another Mum Hack Monday. Now we are going to show you how to make 2-ingredient ice cream. That's it, it's 2 ingredients, right?
I think so.
So 2-ingredient ice cream with a bit of flavour. You need 600 millilitres of double cream, and then a jar or a tin which is 397 grams of condensed milk. That's it. There's no need for any fancy machinery. There is no need for any churning it or anything like that. It is just that simple. And then we've got some vanilla bean paste.
I think we might have to do this yourself.
That's 1.
Oh, Toby.
That's 2. Good. Okay. Oh. Now I'm dripping it everywhere. I saw you. Ready?
Yeah.
Delicious. And this is the bit that's really, really sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
That makes it all sugary. And you don't need to add any extra sugar. You don't need to add any sweeteners, nothing. The condensed milk makes it plenty sweet enough. If anything, it's really sweet ice cream, which I'm here.
Yeah.
You want the spoon, don't you? Come on. I had about a teaspoon left of that. Really didn't have much of it left, and that's it finished now. Yeah. Nice and easy. Done.
You know I love baking.
You're just here to sort out that, aren't you? There we go. Woo! Okay, so we want it to be about the consistency of clotted cream. So it needs a bit more on here. You don't want it to be too thick or it'll crystallise, it'll go all funky, and yeah, it's just not the nicest if it goes too thick. So, well, when you're using these, if you lift it, yeah, that's thicker, isn't it? If you lift it, it injects some more air into it and it helps it get thicker faster. So I would say it's what chefs would call ribboning, I think, and I would say that's probably about there, maybe just a tiny bit more. What do you think, Tobes?
Yeah.
No, we're going to go with it there?
Yeah.
Right,
That's
so
thick enough.
before I
Just
do anything, I'm going to unplug this because they will switch it on. So, what we're going to do is we're just going to plop it in, and that is it. And give it a bit of a shake.
Can I lick the bowl?
Maybe.
Can we both lick the bowl?
Maybe. We are going to cover it in cling film, pop it in the freezer, leave it alone, and it should be done in about 6 hours is how long it usually takes.
Chop that.
So guys, if you would like more mum hacks, we will be back for Mum Hack Monday next Monday. And if you are a big fan, stop it. And if you are a big fan of mum hacks and you would like to see some more of the things I do, then you can check out my new book, which is available to pre-order now.